Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Revolut less than 18 account. Review my usage experience. Revolut less than 18 account offers a prepaid debit card and banking app designed specifically for minors under 18. Its main purpose is to provide young people with a safe and controlled way to manage their money, learning financial responsibility while having access to digital banking features. Key features include parental controls, spending limits, and the ability to receive and send money. Their website provides details on setting up accounts and managing parental controls. Revolut positions itself as a safe and educational financial tool for teenagers, highlighting its ease of use and parental oversight. The app boasts a clean interface and straightforward navigation. Pricing is transparent, with fees clearly outlined on their site. No hidden charges or contracts are involved. Availability is dependent on parental registration and the minor's location, details of which are available on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Revolut less than 18 account. Getting started was incredibly easy. My parents set up the account online in about 15 minutes, and the card arrived within a week. The interface is incredibly intuitive. Even my younger sibling, who's not very tech-savvy, could easily understand it. I used it to save up for a new video game, transferring money from my allowance and tracking my progress effortlessly. I even used the app to split a pizza cost with friends. The transaction speed was excellent, money transfers were near instantaneous. I had a quick question about setting up a recurring savings goal, and their support responded within a day via email, which was great. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the parental controls. It gave me independence while reassuring my parents. One minor drawback was the limited number of supported currencies compared to the adult Revolut account. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the Revolut less than 18 account. It's a great introduction to responsible money management. That's my overview of Revolut less than 18 account. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.